Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps HTML code and embeds in system.io website. So first, log in and open the page you want to edit with the drag and drop builder. Look for the custom HTML block in the editor, drag it onto your page wherever you want the content to appear. This block is the key to adding anything external, whether it's a map, a form, or another type of embed. To add a map, go to Google Maps, search your location and click on share, then embed a map. Copy the HTML frame code. Now paste that code into the custom HTML block inside system.io. When you preview the page, the interactive map would display right where you placed it. The same process works for other embeds. If you want to add a YouTube video, a booking widget, or a custom script, just grab the embed code from the platform and paste it into the HTML block. You can resize or move the block around to match your layout. This is a quick and flexible way to make your system.io site more interactive and professional, and that's how you add maps, HTML, and other embeds in system.io. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.